Hey everyone, welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this quick tutorial, we're exploring the Product Review Carousel widget. This powerful widget lets you showcase real WooCommerce customer reviews in a sleek, responsive slider. Whether on product pages, home pages, or landing pages, it helps build trust and boost conversions by highlighting genuine user feedback. With full design control and smooth carousel effects, it's perfect for enhancing user experience and driving confident purchases. Ready to upgrade your product display? Let's dive in. To begin working with the Product Review Carousel widget in Elementor, simply drag it from the widget panel on the left-hand side and drop it onto your editing canvas. Once added, the widget automatically displays a default layout, giving you a structured design that's ready for customization right out of the box. Start by navigating to the Content tab. The first area you'll find is labeled Layout, where you can adjust the number of columns that appear, the space or gap between items, and the HTML tag used for the review titles. These settings give you the flexibility to structure the layout exactly as you need. Moving down to the Queries section, you'll find settings that control which reviews are displayed and how they are sourced. The item limit lets you define how many customer reviews you'd like to show within the carousel. The offset setting allows you to skip a set number of reviews from the beginning, essentially starting from a specific point in the list. Further down, the Order By option lets you determine how the reviews are sorted. You can choose to display them based on factors like the author's name, approval status, submission date, content, or even randomly. Right below that, the order setting gives you control over the sequence, whether reviews appear in ascending or descending order. Lastly, the status filter lets you decide which types of reviews to include, whether only approved ones, those still on hold, or all reviews regardless of status. The next group of settings is found under Additional Options. Here you'll see toggle switches that allow you to show or hide specific review elements, such as the reviewer's avatar, the review title, the author's name, the star rating, and the main review text. There's also a field where you can set a character limit for the review text if you prefer shorter excerpts. Under the Navigation section, you can customize how users move through the carousel. You'll find several navigation styles available, including combinations of arrows, dots, functional buttons, progress indicators, or none at all. You can also choose the placement of the navigation elements, whether at the top, center, or bottom of the carousel, and align to the left, center, or right. A toggle switch is available to enable or disable the scroll bar, and you can select from a variety of arrow icon styles. There are many options to explore and choose from. Additionally, there is an option to hide arrows on mobile devices to maintain a cleaner layout on smaller screens. Now let's look at the carousel settings. You can choose between two layout styles, the traditional carousel or the more dynamic cover flow. An autoplay feature can be enabled with a toggle switch, and you can define the speed at which the carousel advances. If you want the carousel to pause when a user hovers over it, there's an option for that as well. You can also define how many slides move with each scroll, and additional customization options allow you to center the active slide, enable a grab cursor, activate looping, set animation speed, and adjust layout behaviors like observer mode, matched padding, and matched height between items. Those are the essential customization tools found within the Content tab. For visual styling and finer design adjustments, move over to the Style tab. The first section in the Style tab is Item. Here, you can start by changing the background type or color of the review items. If the title becomes hard to read after changing the background, you can fix that by adjusting the title color in the title section. Returning to the item settings, you can also define the border type and width. Select a border color, set the border radius for rounded corners, and modify padding, margins, and box shadows for a cleaner or more dynamic appearance. The next styling area is Avatar. You can define the avatar's size and border characteristics, including the border radius to make it circular or square. You'll also find options to control the spacing between the avatar and other elements, as well as its shadow styling. In the title section, you have full control over the title text. Beyond adjusting the color and hover color, you can customize the margin to control spacing. Typography settings let you define font family, size, weight, letter case, style, decoration, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing for the title. Next is the text section, where you can modify the color and margins for the body text. Typography customization is also available here and includes the same range of font styling options to help maintain consistency across your design. Moving on to the author section, you'll see two sub-tabs, Text and Name. Under the Text sub-tab, you can set the color and typography for the label text. In the Name sub-tab, you can control the author name's color, hover color, and complete typography styling, allowing you to emphasize the reviewer's identity. The Rating section allows you to style both the stars and the accompanying text. You can select the color and size for the star ratings, and then adjust the typography for the text labels. There's also an offset setting to fine-tune the rating's position horizontally or vertically within its container. Finally, the Navigation Styling section focuses on the arrows. Under the Arrow category, you'll find two sub-tabs, Normal and Hover. The Normal tab allows you to style the default appearance of the arrows, including their color, background, border settings, padding, size, and spacing between them. You can also adjust their position using vertical and horizontal offset controls. In the Hover tab, you can define the color and background color of the arrows when users hover over them. As before, vertical and horizontal offset controls let you fine-tune their placement for an optimized look. That's it! Once you've added your reviews and styled the carousel to match your brand, just hit the Publish button. For more creative ideas, don't forget to check out our demo page. The Product Review Carousel widget makes it easy to display authentic customer feedback in a dynamic, responsive slider. Whether you're building trust on product pages or highlighting top-rated items, it's a powerful way to boost credibility and engage your shoppers. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.